Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Apple Fitness Plus on iPad, quick guide step by step clearly. To get started with Apple Fitness Plus on your iPad, first, ensure your iPad is updated to the latest iOS version. Open the App Store and search for the Fitness app. Download and install the app if you haven't already. Once the app is installed, tap to open it. Sign in with your Apple ID and password if prompted. If you have an Apple Watch, ensure it's paired with your iPad for the best experience. Navigate to the Fitness Plus section within the app. Browse through the different categories such as strength, yoga, or dance. Choose a workout that interests you. Tap on your selected workout to view details like duration and difficulty. Make sure you have a good internet connection for seamless streaming. When you're ready, tap the play button to start the workout. Follow the on-screen instructions and cues during the session. You can also choose to use AirPlay to view the workout on a larger screen. To track your progress, return to the main screen after your workout. Review your workout summary to see metrics and achievements. Explore additional workouts and instructors for variety in future sessions. With these steps, you'll be well on your way to enjoying Apple Fitness Plus on your iPad. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.